But yeah, Fetu, to the people who don't know out there, Fetu, what's your name? What's your real name, and what do you do, man?
Yeah, man. My name is Visani. Visani Ngwendu. I reside up in Woma. Others know me as DJ Vich, and
DJ
then others know me how they know me.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm a DJ up in Woma. Been doing this for like, I don't know, 3 years plus, 5 years. It depends.
And by the way, he's the tallest nigga up in Woma, dog. So if you fuck with me, dog, I'm gonna call the tallest nigga.
Yeah, everybody tall till I stand up, man. Like I tried,
Does it affect you sometimes the way come here, ngala ngibona abanye abantu betyebile they get told yo tyebile no bona ihlise like self esteem yabo, but wena
yeah, you might say that, but kumumna I find it in a way bandithathe as a compliment.
Yeah,
you know?
Bone la
iza kumu ngeskibe good energy ngithetha la wena.
Yeah, abantu bathethe as something bad to you la.
It could be bad kwabanye abantu, but I find it bad la way kumntu xa iphuma kumntu omfutshane.
See,
yeah, I can see ba usuka phi ubone. Yeah,
you featured it, dog. You are. So don't laugh at short niggas. This nigga is laughing at short niggas. I'm shorter to you, dog.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Abantu ba short bayathanda ukucibone xa nisithi ushort baske bacimbe hayi ngithi ngobani. Like nigga, you're shorter than me.
You're shorter than you.